Hi, my friend. Welcome to this is the first live stream of Hunan ZLCONN. Thank you for your words. Uh, this is Carlos Lu from Hunan ZLCONN HDD Machine, the most professional HDD machine factory from China, who is professional in HDD machine for 22 to 114 40-ton HDD machine. And the advantage of and difference of ZLCONN HDD machine compared with other HDD machine manufacturers, we can categorize into 5 letters. The first one is a big. ZLCONN factory is even much more bigger than other factory. Other factory only 2,000, 6,000 square meters. ZLCONN factory can reach 10 times 60,000 square meters. This is the first one. The second, better material. For the ZLCONN HDD machine, we use the steel WL610, 510, but other factories they only use 235 with double harder steel material than other companies. So 没关系. So we have better material, better performance. And the third, the whole process. In other factories, in ZLCONN, we have 9 workshops. From the first workshop, we deal with the raw material, the steel boards and steel roller and the steel sheet, until the final process, assembly, all in my own factories. The other factories, they only do assembly. And on-site service, we have service engineering overseas. In other companies, they don't have better service and longer lifespan. In my factories, because we use the special anti-rust seal for our machine, even after 5 years, it's totally new. But for other machines, other companies, they only 1 or 2 years. So my company the machine longer lifespan. So this is the ZLCONN and the ZLCONN HDD machine. Better factories, better machines, and also very good price. So now let me show you one by one how ZLCONN machine and the ZLCONN looks like. Okay, first, now I'm standing in the assembly, one of our assembly workshop. Here you can see our machine, different models from 43, 32, or 35, 38, 45, 60, 80 tons HDD machine. You can see we have 4 models. We also have 20 tons and 28 tons, 22 tons. And our new model, 150 tons, is also on process. So here you can find all the equipment, all the machine you want. Okay, so let me show you some machine by details. The first one is our 38-ton HDD machine. This is our 38-ton HDD machine. The model name ZL380A. With pulling force and pull force 38 tons. Okay, this is our 38-ton machine. Let me show you from this side. This side. Both of the pull and push and the rotation motor are all original imported from Italy. original imported from Italy, and we use the high speed. They are high speed boom, high speed motors. When you use our machine, you can get high speed at the same time with the very good big force. Okay, um, for the racket, for the track we use the steel track, and for the boom we use the rack and the pillion system. Rack and the pillion system. This is our boom. It's on board. You can check for our boom. For our boom, it's around 24 millimeter. But the other company you will find they're only 18 or 19. Okay. For the operator room, for the cabin, you will have three choice. This is the open one. You can choose the closed one, and you can choose the rotation one. This one is rotation cap. Okay. So this is our 38 ton. You can see that how big the machine is. Okay. So this model close to our 38 ton is our 45 ton HDD machine. Our 45 ton HDD machine is a hot cake now. It is a hot cake now. Every month we have 3 to 5 machines shipped. Customer like this machine. It features rotator cabin. Okay. 没关系。Electric control and multifunctional joysticks. Multifunctional joysticks. 来看一下。Big LCD screen. All the meters are gathered here, and both sides, So very convenient. Pump and coming cylinder.没事，我这边有录制的。录了，它会录的，它自动的。And this is our 60 ton HDD machine with big pump, slurry pump, better ventilation. 什么？ Imported pump slurry pump, and coming cylinder. Rotation, able to rotate. Electric control, multifunctional joystick, LCD screen with AC, with air conditioner. 2-ton crane. 2-ton crane. This is ZLCONN 60-ton HDD machine. ZL600 60吨。对，600A。4.5 meter. Rack and pillion system. Semi-automatic. Imported big motor, pull and push motor and rotation motor. 是80吨的吗？这个是。Okay, so here is our 60-ton HDD machine. Let's take a close look on it. So this is slurry pump, two options, 650 and 850. Common cylinder 264 and a high-speed hydraulic pump from Pumco. Rotation speed, rotation cap, wire controller, depthless, the crane 2 ton, able to rotate or clock. Imported pump, imported motor, pull and push motor, the rotation motor. Let me show you. Okay, this is our 80 ton. Our 80 ton HDD machine. The rods, the reamers, okay, so this is the workshop of our ZLCONN HDD machine. But this is only assembly workshop. Not only this, no, this is only the assembly workshop. We have another 8 workshops to produce HDD machine. Let me show you the big one.没关系。Now, let me show you how the machine, a big HDD machine, come from the steel. Okay, as I said, in ZLCONN, we produce HDD machine from the first process, from the raw material, from the steel roller. In other company, they only do the last process. But in my company, we do it from the steel roller. So now let me show you how it comes. This is a steel roller we purchased from steel factories. You can see here, our material number is 510 and also 510, 510 and also 610 is double hardness than other HDD machine. First, we get the steel roller. We have machine to make the steel roller to steel sheet. So now we get steel sheet. We get steel sheet at this same size, square shape. After it, we will, because for HDD machine, we need parts, steel parts at different size, different shape, and with hole, without hole. And now, after the steel sheet, we will do the different pieces of steel parts by cutting, by burning, by draining, by application. Here is the laser cutting. Here the pressure machine. So this here is the first workshop. The steel dealing, the steel roller process workshop. Here is another workshop. Let's have an overview how big it is. We do different kinds of cutting, welding, application, burning, and pressing here. Laser cutting machine. And here more machine. Plasma. The machine is working there. And after this process, we will get different kinds of parts. After these parts, we will get different kinds of parts of HDD machine. We need a lot of parts. And here, on my left, the more CNC machine, more machinery, also parts. And here, more welding, more cutting machine, and the machine for draining holes. Okay. Here we will find some parts of HDD machine. Let's move on.没关系，能看得到的，大概的概念就行。Have a tool around the different process. 让我走到那边去后，再站定一下。
如果我们自己还在解决的话，
可以，那在这，我在这站一下。Here we can find plenty of parts, some parts for HDD machine, some parts for truck. So, and why I mentioned the truck? Because that is why ZLCONN HDD machine have better production technology, higher standard, and better quality. It's because of the truck. In ZLCONN, we have two kinds of business. We start from truck business more than 20 years ago. For the truck, we built the truck free, and the truck the backside for Sunny and for a lot of Zoom 9 giants, truck giants company, and all the parts imported to Europe. So and for truck, we know that truck is for loading of heavy stuff. For truck, they need better and higher and stricter standard than HDD machine. So they need better material, and they need higher technology. Just because of this, we use the truck scale and truck material in HDD machine. So it makes our HDD machine outstanding among all HDD factories. We use the truck material, we use the truck technology, and use Europe production requirements. Okay, let me show you the factory. Okay. And now we can recognize the parts of HDD machine. Here we will find the parts. Here, the pull and push motor box. Pull and push motor box. And motor box. Okay, now maybe you cannot recognize the parts, but the machine are from these parts. So here also the motor box. That part also. We know that what is the cancer for a machine? It's a rusty. The rusty. This is also the advantage of ZLCONN HDD machine. How we do the anti-rusty? Let me show you. This side, you can see here is the parts before anti-rusty process. Okay, and this side, you can see a difference. This one is after. 没事，不用竞拍。Our first process. What's the difference? The difference is the color. This is the black one. This is the raw color. Why black? You will not find this black layer, black film in other company. Only in ZLCONN HDD machine. It is just because this black layer that it can protect the HDD machine. But after no rusty, even after 5 years, machine looks totally new because this black layer, and the process is electrophoresis. So let me show you how the electrophoresis process, which only found in ZLCONN HDD machine. After electrophoresis, it's still wet, not dry. Stand 站到那个上面去。你也上来。 要等拍到那边，它这边。So this is what called electrophoresis. From there to over there, the high temperature oven. Just all of this. You can see what a big space, big area to there. No other company in HDD factory you will find this. This will we invented million US dollar here only for anti-rusty. The parts will dipped here into the ball with chemical liquid, and after that, after the chemistry reaction inside, you will get a black layer, and then we will put the parts into the high temperature oven. Then we get the black layer there, and after this process, the machine will be no rusty, 5 to 10 years. Let me take a look. It's off-duty time now. Here is another workshop that you will not find in other HDD factory. It's heat treatment. Heat treatment is to enhance the hardness of the parts, to make the parts more durable and the longer lifespan and big strength. You can see here. The shafts. The high temperature oven. After this process, the parts will get very good strength.刚才那一段要啊？对。走。没关系。So now we back to the last process. assembly. So that's in my company, all the process are produced in our factory, but in other company, you will only get the last assembly, the last workshop, assembly workshop. So this is a ZLCONN HDD machine. So this is the ZLCONN HDD machine. Big, advanced, and whole process, better material, longer lifespan, and good price, and good after service. So it's the right choice to you when you need to get HDD machine. Choose ZLCONN when buy HDD machine. Okay, so welcome to our website, www.ZLCONN.com, www.ZLCONNHDDmachine.com. This is Carlos Lu from Hunan ZLCONN HDD Machine, the most professional HDD machine factory in China. So thank you again for your watch. See you next time. See you.